Why is the kitchen always like this in the morning? I can't even find a clean cup.
I was really tired last night. I thought I'd clean it later.
But later never comes, Jane. It's the same situation every day.
That's not fair. I had a long day yesterday. I just needed some rest.
I understand that. But I also had a long day. Still, I wake up and deal with all this mess.
So now it's my fault that the kitchen is messy?
I'm not saying it's all your fault, but it feels like I'm the only one cleaning in the morning.
You're acting like I don't do anything at all around here.
That's not what I mean. I know you do things, but this keeps happening again and again.
Maybe because I don't have the energy at night? I thought you'd understand that.
I do understand, but it's frustrating to start every day like this. It puts me in a bad mood.
Well, it's not exactly a great feeling for me either. Being blamed first thing in the morning?
I'm not trying to blame you. I just want things to be a bit more organized.
Maybe we both need to figure out a better way. Instead of arguing about it.
Yeah, maybe. Because this isn't working anymore.
I also work, Alex. I don't sit at home all day.
I know that, Jane. I'm not saying you don't work hard.
Then why does this sound like you're blaming me for everything?
Because I come home tired, too. And there's still so much left to do.
So you think I just ignore everything on purpose?
No, I don't think that. I just feel like I end up handling most of it.
That's not true. I cook, I clean, I try to manage things too.
I see that sometimes, but it doesn't feel consistent.
So now you're keeping score of who does what.
I'm not keeping score. I'm just exhausted from feeling like I'm doing everything alone.
You should have told me earlier. Instead of letting it build up like this.
Maybe I should have, but I didn't want to start an argument.
And now we're arguing anyway.
Yeah, because I can't ignore it anymore.
That's not fair. I didn't realize you felt this overwhelmed. I wish you had talked to me calmly. Before it got this serious.
Maybe we both should have communicated better from the start. Yesterday I cleaned the living room, and today it's messy again.
I only left a few things there. It wasn't intentional.
A few things turn into a big mess every time, Jane. It keeps happening.
You're making it sound worse than it is. It's not that messy.
Maybe not to you. But to me, it feels like all my effort just disappears overnight.
I didn't mean to undo your work. I just got busy and forgot to put things back.
That's the problem. Things keep getting forgotten.
And you always notice what I forgot. Not what I actually did.
Maybe because the undone things keep piling up and become more obvious.
So, the few mistakes matter more than everything else I do?
It's not about mistakes. It's about consistency.
I try, Alex, I really do. But it feels like nothing I do is enough for you.
I'm not saying it's not enough. I just want us to keep things under control together.
Then stop pointing fingers every time something is out of place.
I'm not trying to point fingers. I'm just frustrated.
And I'm frustrated too. Because it feels like I'm always being criticized.
Maybe we're both focusing on the wrong things, instead of fixing the actual problem.
Do you think I'm lazy or something?
No, I don't think that. I just feel overwhelmed.
I feel like I'm being blamed for everything.
I don't want to blame you. I want things to be balanced.
Then maybe we're just not managing things properly.
Honestly, I don't want to fight about dishes every single day.
Me neither. It's exhausting and it's starting to affect everything else.
Yeah, even small things turn into big arguments now.
Because we're both already frustrated before we even start talking.
Then why does it keep happening over and over again?
Because we don't have a system. We just expect each other to handle things without saying it clearly.
And when it doesn't happen, we assume the worst.
Exactly. I think you expect me to do certain things. And I expect you to do others. But we never actually agreed on it.
Yeah, we're just guessing instead of planning, and it's clearly not working.
And those wrong expectations keep turning into arguments.
I hate coming home and already feeling annoyed about chores.
Me too. Home is supposed to feel relaxing, not stressful.
Instead, it feels like we're constantly blaming each other.
And that's not what we want. We're supposed to support each other, not compete.
You're right. This isn't about dishes anymore. It's about how we're handling things together.
So maybe it's time we stop arguing about the same problem and actually fix it.
Yeah, because if we don't, this will just keep repeating every day.
Maybe we should write everything down. Like who does what.
A proper schedule?
Yes, so nothing is forgotten or assumed.
That actually sounds fair. No confusion, no guessing.
And no more blaming each other.
Okay, I'll take dishes, trash, and kitchen cleaning.
I'll handle laundry, bedroom, and organizing the living room.
We can also switch tasks every week so it stays balanced.
Good idea. And we should set reminders on our phones.
This already feels more organized than before.
The house actually looks clean without stress now.
And we're not arguing every night anymore.
I guess we just needed a plan, not complaints.
Yeah, teamwork makes it easier than fighting.
I'm glad we figured it out together.
Me too. This feels like real partnership now.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.